Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel English Corner 796. Friends, today we're gonna learn about time, how to tell time in English and also some short sentences about time. So अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट ज़रूर करें. Don't go without subscribing my channel. So let's start. 2:25 हुए हैं. It's 2:25. It's 2:25. 2:30 बजे हैं. It's 2:30. It's 2:30. 2:35 हुए हैं. It's 2:25. It's 2:25. 3 बजे हैं. It's 3:00. 4 बजे हैं. It's 4:00. 5:15 बजे हैं. It's 5:15. It's 5:15. 4:45 बजे हैं. It's 4:45. It's 4:45. 5 बजने में 10 मिनट बाकी हैं. It's 10:05. It's 10:05. सुबह के 5 बजे हैं. It's 5 AM. शाम के 5 बजे हैं. It's 5 PM. 12 बजे हैं. It's 12:00. ये दोपहर के खाने का टाइम है. It's time for lunch. It's time for lunch. आपकी घड़ी पर वक्त क्या हुआ है? What's the time by your watch? What's the time by your watch? ये वक्त चाय का है. It's time to take tea. वक्त किसी के लिए नहीं रुकता. Time doesn't stop for anyone. Time doesn't stop for anyone. मेरे पास वक्त नहीं. I don't have time. ये वक्त है. It's time. It's time. हमारे पास ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं. We don't have much time. We don't have much time. वक्त पर आना. Be on time. वक्त पर पहुंचना. Reach on time. वो वक्त पर आ जाएगी. She will be on time. She will be on time. आपके पास सिर्फ 24 घंटे हैं. You have only 24 hours. ये वक्त काफ़ी नहीं है. It's not sufficient time. It's not sufficient time. मुझे कुछ और वक्त चाहिए. I want some more time. अपना वक्त लें. Take your time. Take your time. ये वक्त कभी वापस नहीं आएगा. This time will never come back. अपना वक्त जी लो. Live your time. Live your time. अपना वक्त ज़ाया मत करो. Don't waste your time. आपका वक्त ख़त्म हुआ. Your time is over. Your time is over. अपना वक्त बचाओ. Save your time. आपका वक्त ख़त्म हुआ. Your time is up. This is it for today. Inshallah, we will meet soon with a new topic. Stay connected. Keep learning. Don't go without subscribing my channel. Allah Hafiz.